Welcome to our special series on pregnancy nutrition. Today, we're focusing on foods to avoid to keep both you and your baby healthy. Let's get started. Hi everyone! Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic for all expecting moms out there. 10 foods you should avoid during pregnancy to ensure your baby stays healthy and happy. Let's make this journey as safe and joyful as possible. Ready? Let's jump right in. During pregnancy, your body is working overtime to support the growth and development of your baby. That's why what you eat matters now more than ever. While there are plenty of nutritious foods you should include in your diet, there are also some you should steer clear of to avoid any risks to your baby's health. First on the list is raw or undercooked meat. This can carry harmful bacteria like E. coli or salmonella, which could lead to serious foodborne illnesses. Always ensure your meat is thoroughly cooked. Next, avoid raw or undercooked eggs. They might contain salmonella, so no runny eggs or raw cookie dough for now, sorry. Certain fish like swordfish or shark contain high levels of mercury, which can harm your baby's developing nervous system. Stick to safer options like salmon or sardines. Unpasteurized milk, cheese, and yogurt can harbor bacteria like listeria. Always check the labels and choose pasteurized options. Deli meats like ham or salami, as well as hot dogs, can also contain listeria. If you're craving a sandwich, make sure to heat the meat until it's steaming hot. Sushi lovers, I know it's tough, but raw seafood is a no-go during pregnancy. It can carry harmful parasites or bacteria. While a cup of coffee is generally okay, too much caffeine can increase the risk of low birth weight. Limit your intake to 200 milligrams per day, which is about 1 cup of coffee. Alcohol is completely off limits. Even small amounts can lead to developmental issues for your baby. Some artificial sweeteners like saccharin may not be safe during pregnancy. Stick to natural sweeteners like honey or fruit when possible. Last but not least, always wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly to remove pesticides and bacteria. Even the healthiest foods can be risky if they're not clean. So there you have it, 10 foods to avoid during pregnancy to keep you and your baby safe. Remember, a balanced diet filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is the key to a healthy pregnancy. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other moms-to-be. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and advice for a healthy pregnancy. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more.